In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing pecan milk at home. So stay tuned and find out how I make this. So to make this refreshing milk, you will need a pecan nut. So I'm going to add it into a bowl, add enough water, and allow it to soak overnight. So the next day, you can notice that it has doubled in size and the water have changed color. So I'm going to drain out the water. Then I'm going to rinse it properly. So after rinsing, I'm going to add the pecan into the blender. You can add any sweetener of your choice. I'll be adding maple syrup. If you have date or cinnamon, you can also add. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water, cover the blender and blend until smooth. When I'm done blending, you can use chiffon cloth, nutmeg bag to squeeze to get the milk. Pecan milk is high in antioxidants. It contains vitamin A, B, E. It is a good source of omega-3, magnesium, calcium, potassium, zinc, and some other nutrients. I hope you try making this nutritious and refreshing pecan milk at home. Thank you all for watching.